All right, everyone. Finally got myself one of these fancy flying machines, and let's see what this bad boy can do. Okay, so this button should... Wait, which one starts it up again?
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Second time's the charm, right?
Come on down from there, you stubborn little. There we go, now we're talking. Look at that view. This thing's actually pretty incredible once you get the hang of it.
Well, that was quite the learning experience. Note to self: practice the controls before hitting record next time.